This is a UTE Bend-X. It's a 160-ton brake press. It's a 10+1 axis with a Delem 66T control. I'm going to give you guys a quick demo. This is the Delem control. So we're going to start on products. Usually I would go to new, but you can import a DXF, and that's a handy feature to import your already made DXF files. But next we're going to go to drawing. This is a file that I've already created. This is a part that most customers use. This is a general overview. You can change each bend, angle, things like that, or we can just go to tooling setup. This shows your tools. When you click on the tool, it's going to give you the tool library. Next, we're going to go to bend sequence, and this is where we're going to shift the die from one stack to another, or we can customize the process in between. Next, we're going to go to program, and this is going to show you where the openings are, different features of the bend length. You can change certain parts about each bend. And then you're going to go to auto. And then you can just hit save if it's already a pre-made part. So next, we can just hit the little start button, and it moves to exactly where we need to be. Safety is our #1 concern, and we have a light curtain here. So it'll try to prevent you from cutting off your fingers, damaging anything. So if you'll notice, you have a red dot here. The red light indicates that the laser is broken on the other side, and that indicates that something is in the way. So whenever you go up, that red dot went away and a green dot appeared, and it shifts the stacks. So when the green light shows, we're ready for the next step. So now we're going to come over to our standard operation panel. This comes with every machine standard. This is where you're going to control up and down. You have an E-stop. You're going to be able to start the machine and reset indicator or stop the machine. I'm going to show you guys the finger position. So this is your backstop that the sheet goes up against, and you also have a second stage where it could lay up onto it. So that way, if you have a long part, it's actually not going to lay down in the back and make it easier to handle that sheet. Next, we're going to step up to the control panel here. You have up and down, and I'm going to stick it up to the fingers and hit down. We bend the part. We're going to continue through the motions. We're going to flip the part over. This is all dictated within the control. And we have a bent part. If you're interested in our UTE Bend-X, reach out to us via phone call or our website.